The moment of inertia of a body about a given axis is 1.2 kg meter square. Initially, the body is at rest. Initially, the body is at rest. In order to produce a rotational kinetic energy of 1500 joule, an angular acceleration of 25 radian per second square must be applied about that axis for a duration. So here they are asking to find out time. That is the question. So what is the given data? The given data is moment of inertia is given, I equal to how much? 1.2 kg meter square. So that is one value, and the second value is rotational kinetic energy 1500 joule and angular acceleration 25 radian per second square. So that is the data given in the problem. Initially the body is at rest means initial angular speed is 0. Initial angular speed is 0. So rotational kinetic energy formula of moment of inertia and angular speed. From this omega equal to root over 2 into ER by I. If you do it, how much you'll get? 2 into 1500 by, so 1.2. So here is the moment of inertia. If you solve this one, we will get 50 radian per second. Now we have to find out time. So omega 2 equal to omega 1 plus alpha into t. So now 50 equal to, anyway this will become 0. So initial angular speed is 0 and alpha equal to how much? 25 into t. So t equal to 2 second. That is the answer. T equal to 2 second. Yes. So we'll see the, what is the answer here? This is the answer. T equal to 2 seconds. So here you can see this is the answer. So if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. So thank you.